What's up, folks? Welcome back to the new and improved East Coast Kitchen. First time cooking in the refreshed kitchen from my great friends over at Kent. This morning, we are going to be making something super delicious. We are making a cinnamon bun coffee cake. Folks, let's bake. The smell alone is worth making this. How does it taste? Oh man, delicious. You should make that one this weekend. It is really easy to make and silly delicious. Thank you, Kent, for helping me spruce up the East Coast Kitchen. So lovely, appreciate it very much. And to the rest of you, I will see you again very soon. And until then, let's get the whole country cooking. Peace out.